Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. Right here we got a 2017 Audi A5, 2017. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the trim panel, the handle, and the mirror. All right, guys. If this video was helpful towards you, please go ahead and support the channel, bang the subscribe, and then. All right. With that said, let's get this work going. I'm gonna show you guys how to take the 3 parts off, all right? Let's go take a look. All right, the first thing what I want you guys to do, I'm gonna show you guys the points first, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to pull the work. Get yourself a flathead, guys, flathead screwdriver. So this piece right here, you put the flathead screwdriver right between the groove right there. See that groove right there, and pop it out. All right, go ahead and pop this piece out. It comes out, see that? Pop this piece out. It comes out. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and unplug this. You guys see that black clip inside there? You're gonna squeeze that black clip down and pull this plug out. All right, the reason why we take off this, because there's a hidden screw, guys. There's a hidden screw right inside there, okay? You guys see the screw inside there? Go ahead and take that screw out, guys. That is a T, that screw is a T, what size is this? It's a T20. It's a star tip, just like that, T20. Get one like this, or you guys could use one like this. T20 star tip, okay? All right, guys. That's one screw. The next screw is right here, guys. Right up underneath this piece right here. You guys see that screw over there? Right inside there, that hole. There's a next screw right in that hole right there. Go ahead and take the screw from right there. There's a next hole right here. Go ahead and take the screw from that is up inside that hole right there, okay? Take the screw from inside there and down in the bottom, guys. You're gonna take that screw from right there. So it's 1 screw, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and take all the 4 screws out of there, and then we're gonna pop the trim panel off. All right, now with that said, you guys stay tuned and watch the work. Oh, that's cool, right? All right, guys, take that piece out of there. Now we're gonna take that screw from there. Okay guys, now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out. Get your flathead and stuck it right between the groove, guys. What we're going to do, we're going to hold this and pull the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. Pull it open. Then you're going to grab it. Snatch it off. Then you're going to hold it and go up with it. Alright guys, you do the fly head, take that piece out, because there's the next screw inside of there. Yeah, take that piece out. There's one more screw right there, one more. Okay. You got 2 wires and 1 cable. That's 1 wire. Show you guys how to take this take the loop and the harness as well. Take a look. Alright guys, this is how you take this wire loose. You see that piece right there guys? Go ahead and push that piece in and push up this third piece up. Okay, so basically you're gonna push this in. Push this in and bring this up. Just like that. See that? Comes right out. Falls out. Push it in. Pop it up. Comes out. Now, with this one now. Now how do you guys take this thing loose? You see this piece right here? This piece. You're gonna do the flathead screwdriver. And you're gonna lift it, thank you. You're gonna lift this piece up. And you're gonna pull back on it and forward. Just like that. And then you're gonna go down with it. Just like that. That's how you take the piece out, okay? Alright. That's how you take it off. Alright guys. Now we have the trim panel off. See? Bad boy's off. Comes right off. Alright, comes right off. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to take out this mirror. Get up. Here. I'm gonna show you guys how to take out this mirror. Alright guys, get your flathead screwdriver guys. You see this peak for the tweeter? Go ahead and pop it out. Just like that. Put your hand up underneath it and pop it out. Comes right out. There's a screw right there. One screw right there. Take it out. That is the same screw from what I told you guys. The same size. Okay. Use a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna put it right here and pop it out of there. Okay? Like that. Pop it out. You see this piece right here? Move that piece from there. But first thing first, move that piece. Right there. Go ahead and unplug the wire. You see this red clip? Push the red clip back and push the black clip down and pull out the wire. Just like that, comes right out. That's that. Now go ahead and take this piece off of it. Alright, just like that. You're going to hold this piece back just like that. There's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Take them 3 screws from there, guys. 1, 2, 3. Let's hold it back just like that. Alright. Alright guys, those 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. That's a T30 star tip, 5 points. Number 30, number 30. You're going to turn those screws to the left and take them out of there. Remember, hold this piece back, hold it back. That's 1. That's 2. With the last one, go ahead and hold the mirror, hold it. 3. Go ahead and shake it out of there. Comes right out, bam. Like butter, baby. Like butter. Comes out easy. Like a fried cake eating a piece of cake. Comes out easy. See that? That's how you do that, right? Now I'm gonna show you guys how to take out that handle. Okay guys, see this piece right here? We're gonna partially move this piece out your way. Get some small clips that's beneath rubber, just go ahead and pull them clips out of there, along with the rubber. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Just like that. Let's just piece out your way. You guys see that plastic? Take that plastic from there. Just poke a hole in it and take it off of there. That's it. Don't worry about that. Now, that hole inside there, guys. You guys see that screw right there? There's a shiny screw right there. You're gonna turn that screw to the left. That's the number on. This is number 20. Star tip 5 points. Number 20. Turn that screw to the left. You're going to turn it all the way to the left. Now, we'll use the flathead screwdriver, guys. This piece right here, we're going to pry that piece out. We're going to hold it out, pry it out. Guys, keep in mind, guys, please keep in mind, sometimes, not all the time, sometimes this piece right here is hard to come out. But just keep prying at it. Keep on prying at it. It comes out. Just turn that screw back all the way, guys. Make sure it's back all the way. And just keep on prying at it. Take your time, have patience, and keep prying at it. Keep prying at it. Sometimes that top comes off on you. It's fine, because that top gets snapped back on. Keep on prying at it. And then you could even use the pliers. See, I have mine ready. You could use the pliers and pry it out of there. Just keep on prying at it. It comes out. Sometimes they're hard, it comes out, sometimes they're not. Yeah, comes right out. Comes right out. So you do that. Now you're gonna hold this handle Pull it backwards and out. Shake it out of there. Shake it out. Now, you see that brake clip? You're gonna push it backwards, just like this. Push the brake clip back. And the back right here, unplug it. Just like that. That's how you take out the handle, guys. Alright, comes right out. Push this speed back in. That's how you do that. Alright? That's that, guys. Remember, guys, just follow the instructions and it comes right out. Remember, the only problem that you guys will have is with this piece right here. It's with this piece. But sometimes it comes out easy, sometimes it don't. The piece on fine on it comes out. Now, after you guys take out the handle, you could go ahead and close the door. Use your flathead. There's a hook inside there. You can't miss it. The hook is right there. You do your flathead, you pry the hook back, and the door opens up. Okay. Or you can use the cable. You can use the cable as well, but this window will be up, the door closed, the flathead, pop it up, comes open, alright? I'll see you do that. Guys, that's the end of the video. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Don't forget to support the channel, guys. Bang the subscribe, bang that like if you feel like it, hit that cash app, baby. Support the channel. Work you ain't checking out. Bam!